sun begins to rise, echoes of the past are whispering through the skies. The drums of liberation, the chords of destiny, a symphony of voices yearning to be free. Sounds of freedom, hear them call, breaking chains, they stand tall. From the valleys to the heights, songs of courage, songs of might. Songs of might. Attraverso e prove le notte, nel cuore di ogni lotta. Le melodie della giustizia illuminano la notte. Armonia di speranza in ogni respiro che prendiamo. Un ritmo di resilienza che nessun potere può spezzare. Sounds of freedom, hear them call, breaking chains, they stand tall. From the valleys to the heights, songs of courage, songs of might. In the tales of our ancestors, in the winds across the land, the notes of revolution in every steadfast hand. A chorus of tomorrow in the dreams we dare to weave. A song of liberation in which we all believe. Sounds of freedom, hear them call, breaking chains, they stand tall. From the valleys to the heights, songs of courage, songs of might. With every voice united in a harmony so grand, together we march forward across this promised land. A symphony of freedom in every heart it rings. A timeless song of triumph that every soul can sing. Through the trials and struggles, in a harmony so grand, together we march forward across this promised land.